Morning, internet. Yeah, it's way too early. Way too early. But, oh well. Oh well. Yeah, this is just meh. It's far too early for this. I'm like having to walk to the train station, but I don't even know what time my train is. I should have checked last night, to be honest. And this fucking thing on the back. I don't even want to do this, to be honest. I sound like I'm just bitching and complaining, and that's what it pretty much is, but I'm more of an inside person. I hate the outside world. Like, the only times I need to go outside, like the only times I honestly go outside is when, like, I either have to go to the shop or meet someone, and you remember going somewhere inside. I usually stay at home, or when I'm going to work or something like that. I just don't really want to do this, to be honest. Like a day in the countryside, like the countryside's not my thing. Sorry to anyone who lives in the countryside, it's just not my place. I was raised in the city, so But that's the thing, like Kenneth was raised in the countryside, I was raised in the city. This would be more his thing, to be honest. Oh, this is gonna kill me. So that was interesting. Yeah, so it turns out that I had a bit of a problem with travel. As I'll show you, I was meant to be at a certain destination at about 7:30. You can see that. You probably can't. They're the times. Right there, surprisingly. Yeah, I'm so tired. But yeah, I can't be bothered with this. I need to stop myself from vlogging too much. Nah, there's no such thing as vlogging too much. So this is bad quality. My camera got a bit wet. So yeah, I'm on walk. Walking, yay, for the countryside. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm actually doing quite well, to be honest. So, we're doing quite well. So it's not too bad. I think I'll continue when we get a bit of a break. I'm not sure. Actually, no, I will. I think this might be short. At least it's relatively entertaining to video today, so it's not too bad. Bum. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. So,
guys,
still walking again.
Guys, we've definitely gone too far.
Yeah, okay, that's a bad sign. As you can see, British weather once again. You can see the lake. So it's pretty cool. At least you've got better quality now because I'm using my rear view camera. Yeah, it's not been bad. We're actually doing quite well, I think. Shit, we're doing quite well. What am I doing here? Yeah, it's all cool. It's all cool. Oh, weather's cleared up. Just a bit. And we're still walking. So, it's actually been better than what I thought it would be. I don't know, I'm just kind of reliant on technology. But yeah, I probably have to sort myself out when I get home and yeah. I'll just say I'll not see record as much. So, I'm sorry, it's been a bit boom kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully the next time I get you is either weather changes, it'll be interesting to see, or actually, that doesn't look too healthy. So, not then, so probably when I'm actually back on the minibus on the way home. Yeah, that's cool. So my friend found me. There's her car. I'm happy. Oi, bitch! Smile.
It's broken you.
Say hello to the internet.
Hello, internet. What's up
Cool.
with my
My jacket! Leave it in there! Just leave it in there! Oh, okay. Bring it then. One second. I'll be back in a minute. I'm such a tramp.
Yes, you are.
What else is new?
Welcome to Norway.
It's a yellow car.
Can we not? You two seriously can walk. I don't even know what way I'm going anymore.
We're going back to Tilbury.
I think I know my way back to Linford.
Linford. Yes.
What's wrong with Linford?
Everything's wrong with Linford, I'm joking.
I really like it.
I've never been to Linford.
Really?
I've never been. I think I must have done, but probably couldn't remember.
I didn't even know where Linford was, to be honest.
Yeah. Done our day walks, it's all cool. Probably be on Skype later.
Kind of smart.
Yeah.
At least I know where it was.
Internet! I am alive. I lost my taper. But I'm alive. Look, I lost it. It's quite horrible. But I'm alive. Yeah, I'm alive. Only barely though. So yeah. Hopefully Kenneth's online. If he is, then yeah, we'll have a quick conversation with Kenneth and then I'll be uploading the vlog. Hope you all guys are cool. That was a good day. Fucking shattered now. Fucking shattered. But yeah, I'll quickly check if Kenneth's on and I'll get back to you. Let's just see if he's online. He's not online yet. Let's see if I can message him on Facebook. Where are you, bro? Where are you? Where are you? It says web! Get your ass online. Oh, pardon me. This is brilliant. I love this kid. Just love this kid. He's so fucking funny. Oh, that's respond. I can't. Oh my god! I think that face there. He just knows. He just knows that I'm recording him. What an asshole! What a fucking asshole! Oh my good god! Good evening, guys. So it's been a bit of a long day. Kenneth's not going to be online till the evening, further on in the evening, so I'm just going to call him back then. Probably. I'm just going to rest for a bit, because I've had a bit of a long day. I can upload this vlog while I'm at it. Sorry, I look absolutely appalling. I'll look better. We've got loads of videos planned for you guys, so, well, when you'll start coming in, we've got loads of videos planned. Anyway, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and everyone stay wonderful.